ko'tarmak uchun vaqtiniz zayi ketmesin, ko'nglingiz quvonsin deb hareket vaqtiyle beraber yeni rubrikamizni taqdim etamiz. Programmamızın maqsadi dünya üzerinde olgan insanlarının acayip muzikamızla tanış edip onu yüreklerge sindirmektir. By the way, today we have quite a girly episode.
I am Bella. I am from Slovenia.
I'm from Azerbaijan.
Sziasztok!
My name is İcra. I'm from Romania, but I'm Bulgarian.
I'm here with Erasmus as well, and I'm studying communication. I have a BA from cultural studies.
Huh?
What is
I've heard about Tatars, but not the Crimean ones. So as the ethnicity generally, because I'm from Azerbaijan, and I've heard about Tatars, but I didn't know that it was specifically Crimean one.
Nothing. I mean, I heard about Crimea as a territory, but not about Crimean Tatars.
Okay. So today we're going to show you some video clips with like Crimean Tatars music. Some of them are modern, some of them not really. And we'll film your reaction. You can react in the way that you want. Like, feel free, be free.
Oh, I like this instrument. It reminds me of Croatian music.
Wow, really?
The Dalmatian ones, they use violins as well in the music.
Oh.
Sounds like one of our songs.
What language is this?
Crimean Tatar?
Crimean Tatar. I would have never said it's Crimean Tatar language. I would say Turkish or something. Oh my god, one looked like you.
It wasn't me.
Oh.
I understand everything. Güzel Kırım.
I'm wondering what is the song about? Is it something nationalist?
You're close. You're close, yeah.
Yeah, because it's like in elegant suits than in something traditional. By the way, I don't like it.
I like it. How didn't you like it?
Is it a medley? There is a lot of singer in it. Or is this
It's
a band?
interpretation to just, you know, combine different voices, different...
Nice. It's with the hats. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I should be commenting
It's okay.
I love the part with Ey Güzel Kırım. I like it because it's so much like us. Like it sounds like I listen just one of the Azerbaijani songs, like one of them. But the only difference, as I said, is the appearance, is the traditional, of course, the clothes, because we don't have that kind of a hat. But language, I'm surprised that language is more like us than Turkish. I'm surprised with that. It's like almost, it's like a person that just learned the Azerbaijani cannot speak it, something like that. It's very similar, very.
I like this old movie filter on the video.
Even the houses, the nature, the structure of everything is similar. I'm surprised.
Oh, the filter comes when it's about old times or something?
Yeah, that's the idea of the clip.
Yeah. Nice. This one's better. But I feel like I've heard it somewhere before. Or it's similar to something.
Why do I understand him less?
Oh, it's something contemporary.
Yeah, more than...
pop music. So this one is definitely romantic, huh?
It is translated as like forever love.
I figured that from the video. I don't understand anything at all. Oh, they're holding hands.
I like it. I want to download this song even.
Oh, boy band. I think the instruments are not even plugged in in the middle of nowhere. I like the music though. On a wedding or something. You know, it reminds me of the happy ending at the end of some serial. The happy end.
I don't understand him.
Is this the Crimean Tatar language too?
Yes.
Now she doesn't like him anymore. Oh wow. Maybe because he's married.
I understand him less.
This song is really good. Is there more? I'm bored now. Oh.
His
Oh, it's something folk. I know!
Do you know
What is this? What is happening?
Is he saying a rap? Why so fast?
It's almost like rap.
Crimean Tatar love? Rap.
Folk rap. Achtig.
Sounded similar, okay, but it was too fast.
In Romania, on the countryside, men have this hat as well, or something similar. I'm not used to this kind of music. This is pure traditional.
Kinda.
I understood nothing.
I don't like it.
You can close
Why
that.
is like in drums and just trumpet and everything is there and just like ugh, no.
Alright, you can close it if you don't want to.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay.
Pure torture.
Is it traditional?
Yeah, kinda.
Nothing. It was weird for me. It's not like us. Part. We don't.
Like the third one is just traditional, I guess. And I wasn't born in that culture, so it seems just wrong to me to
Okay.
listen to that. Yeah, I don't like
What can you say about the language?
the language.
Yeah.
I couldn't understand anything.
Okay.
So I guess there are no Slavic origins in there.
Yeah.
Maybe from the hearing of it, more reminding me of Turkish kind of origins. So the first one and the third one both had a lot of hats in. Not
Yeah,
a lot,
traditional.
these
Yeah.
kind of. But in the first one also women had them. But different. They had it like this. Different kinds. And also women. And also they had a lot of braids. The only one that is likable, could be likable, is the second one. Maybe because it's newer.
Yeah.
And it also trying to like just following the trends, I guess. But that's not what it's about. Like, if you're making music, you have to be unique. So, like, I liked it better because I've seen this kind of types and I liked it before. But maybe if this is from Crimea culture, I don't think this is supposed to be like.
I like the first one because I I constantly listen to our songs, traditional ones and the old ones, it sounds for me like maybe Muslim Magamite, if you ever heard it. So, but second one was modern, as I said. But first one I understood almost everything. Second one I understood less. Third one I understood nothing. Only a few words. And I'm shocked that the language is more of us than more of Turkish. That's interesting. Like our language plus
Based on the first and the third video, I would say they love their nationality, the Crimean Tatarness. Especially the first one, that was my favorite, yeah.
Okay.
The second one is like a regular pop song or something. I would never recognize this language. I would say it's Turkish or some Middle Eastern language. Bizga o'z niyatlaringizni, isteklerinizни ve klip variantlarini yozmağa unutmayınız. Görüşkence.